It's that time of year again, and we love it here at Murdock. Many of you will be sporting moustaches for the first time, and we want to give you some expert tips to help you look your best. Luckily, we've got a barber here to do just that. Anything goes when it comes to Movember. Now is the perfect time to feel free to experiment with your facial hair. The first thing to remember is to be confident. Make sure you've got an end goal and just go for it. A small comb can be very helpful, and a small beard trimmer for quick touch-ups at home in between barbershop visits can also come in handy. Don't accidentally cut it into big chunks. As a guideline, try to find pictures of your desired tash style. Look at where it finishes on the face and its general shape. This will help you to minimise accidentally ruining your tash before you've even got it. The best technique is called undercutting. Comb the tash outwards from the middle and trim any hairs left on the lip. This will keep it looking more compact and natural looking with a good amount of weight to it. It gives the impression of a thicker tash. Beard moisturiser is a must-have for the early stage of growing any amount of facial hair, and a great way to style your tash subtly and also keep it clean, healthy and soft. Apply as often as required to help prevent irritation. If you're feeling adventurous, then you can use some wax to really shape a standout style. Make sure you warm it up between your thumb and forefinger first to make it easier to work through the moustache.